Hi, this is Justin from Ajar Productions. In this video, I'm excited to show you another cool interactive project created with InDesign and in5. This one is from the Scott and Miller Group. It was made for the Flint Regional Science and Engineering Fair, and it is an interactive project guide. Already on the first page, you can see there's this neat bubbling animation coming from the test tube in the middle, but there's actually a whole bunch of cool animation that happens before this gets loaded. So let me reload the page so you can see it from the very beginning. Interactive gets dropped in by a crane, there's a rocket that flies across, gears spinning, and the Let's Get Started button highlights. So you can see already this is kind of an exciting intro, and it tells us exactly what to do to move forward. And you'll see as we go through this that it's very good at nudging us along at where we need to go. It starts with some hints and tips. Obviously this is a sort of a pop-up. This was all created in InDesign. You can next through this and see all the different tips. There are these beautiful icons everywhere. I'm just going to skip it and get to this first page. You can see on this first page there is a scientist track and an engineer track. I'm going to click the engineer one and we'll explore that just because I like this really cool rocket animation that happens when I click the button. So check this out. That's a really cool way to transition the page. Now on the intro page for the engineering method, we see the entire process from define a problem all the way down to get approved. Now throughout this, if I am to start by defining a problem, I do have a menu at the top that allows me to navigate anywhere, so I can always jump around. But I also want to show you how this nudges me through the process. So the steps are numbered, they're vertical, and as I go through them and I get to the end, only then do I see a next button down in the bottom right. Now there are helpful links. There's a brainstorming guide I can download. There are web links down here. But those are just persistent menu items, and I'm nicely nudged along with this next button. So go to the next one and you can see on this section, same thing. I'm going to quickly click through all these steps and you'll see the next button only shows up when I get to the end. Same thing here. And when I get to the end of the process, I'm ready to submit this and get approved. So it's a really helpful and ingenious the way it walks me through. It doesn't force me to do that, but it gives me a nice nudge along the way. It's very clear what to do because it's very smartly designed. It's beautiful to look at. It uses animation to guide me along, and I absolutely love it. And everything in this, down to the favicon that was linked in the tab, was exported with in5 from InDesign. So this was built by a designer without coding, and it just shows you what a skilled design team can do. They plan the process, they use great graphics, they create neat animations, they think about the navigation, and they make something really helpful to the end user. And they did this in InDesign and in5 without coding. If you like seeing this project as much as I like sharing it, please like the video on YouTube. If you want to see other customer projects like this, please subscribe to the Ajar Productions YouTube channel and hit the bell to get notified about future videos. I'm looking forward to showing you more of these, so hopefully I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.